Hello students, today we are going to solve exercise 7.4 of chapter 7. Chapter name is fraction of NCERT of class 6. Okay. So first question of this exercise, write shaded portion as fraction, arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign greater than, equal, less than, between the fractions. Okay. So we have to first write the fraction shaded portion. After that, arrange in ascending and descending order. Okay. And put the sign of greater than, less than, or equal. Isn't it? So let's begin. First question. A part. Fraction given, shaded portion 3. 3 upon 8. Second, 6 upon 8. Third is 4 upon 8. Now 1 upon 8. Okay. All shaded portion given, whatever given in question to us. Now ascending, arranging ascending order with sign greater than, less than, or equal. Okay. So ascending order I have written in short form AS. Okay. Now 1 upon 8 less than, isn't it? 3 upon 8. Now 3 upon 8 less than 4 upon 8, and 4 after that 6 upon 8. Isn't it? Okay. So this one is a very smaller, and in descending order first you write a smaller number, after that means like a 1 to 10 means ascending order. Okay. So ascending में क्या करना है? A smaller to greater. Isn't it? You have to write it a smaller to greater, and descending greater to a smaller. So first 1 upon 8, 3 upon, after that 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 6 upon 8. Now descending order. Similarly 6 upon 8 greater than 4 upon 8 greater than 3 upon 8 greater than 1 upon 8. Now B part. 8 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 3 upon 9, and 6 upon 9. So first you are arranging ascending order. This one with sign 3 upon 9 less than, 4 upon 9 less than, 6 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 6 upon 9 less than 8 upon 9. Similarly, descending order 8 upon 9 great. Okay. Now 6 upon 9, isn't it? 8 upon 9 greater than 6 upon 9, greater than 4 upon 9, greater than 3 upon 9. Okay. So this was first and question number first. Now moving on C part. So given fraction on the number line, put appropriate sign between the fraction given. Okay. So first you show the on number line of given fraction given here 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 8 upon 6, and 6 upon 6. Isn't it? This fraction given here, now you show on this number line. So we start from 0. Isn't it? Means you can write it 0 upon 6. Because 0 upon 6, answer will be 0. What is the mean of 0 upon 6? Because denominator given here 0. Sorry, 6. कितने पार्ट में आपको डिवाइड करना है? 6. One thing you notice here, this fraction is a numerator is greater than denominator. If you convert in mixed fraction, ये यहाँ क्या है? ये 8 है तो 6 से बड़ा है, तो 8 को अगर 6 से डिवाइड करोगे so 1 से means 6 upon 6 से भी आगे जाएगा, isn't it? Means 0, 6 3s are 18, again 2, so you have to write it 1.4 like this, isn't it? Now, so first you dividing, so this line dividing 8 equal parts because this is the numerator. Or 6 upon 6 means equal to 1. So more than 1, आपका 8 upon 6 कहाँ होगा? More than 1, 1 से ज़्यादा जाएगा, 1.4, isn't it? So let's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now count it. Let's start. 1 means 1 upon 6. Here 2 upon 6. So first you plot this number 2 upon 6. Here comes 1 upon 6. First में क्या आएगा? 0 upon 6. After that 1 upon 6. After that 2 upon 6. In this point 2 upon 6. Okay. Now 4 upon 6. So 2 after 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6. So this number 4 upon 6, this point. Okay. Now 6 upon 6. So 5, 6. 6 upon 6. This point 6 upon 6 equal to 1. कितना है 6 upon 6 means 1 के equal. If you divide, you will get 1. Now last this one is a greater fraction means more than 1. अब 1 से आपको आगे जाना है, कितना? 0.4. 0.4 means 7 upon 8, 6, 8 upon 6. Isn't it? 8 upon 6. Now given the fraction and put it appropriate sign, 5 upon 6, 2 upon 6. So which one is greater? This one is a greater because numerator is a greater than denominator. इसका numerator बड़ा है. If you multiply, इसमें cross multiplication कर सकते हो. So 6 2s are 12. यहाँ आपका क्या आएगा? 6 5s are 30. Okay. And here 2 6s are 12. So which one is greater? Definitely 30 is a greater. यहाँ जो 30 आएगा वो greater. And here comes 12. So 12 is a less than 30, isn't it? So cross multiplication के through भी कर सकते हो और convert in like fraction. After that find it. So which one is greater? 5 upon 6, isn't it? Now second fraction 3 upon 6 greater than 0. Definitely greater than 0. Now 1 upon 6 and 6 upon 6. So which one is a greater? 6 upon 6 because whole part 1 है और 1 में 6 part divided. So this one is a smaller and this one is a greater. Now 5 upon 6. Sorry, 8 upon 6 and 5 upon 6. Isn't it? So this one is a greater because आपका ये numerator बड़ा है. Isn't it? तो जिसका numerator बड़ा होगा, that fraction is a greater. There, greater. Okay. Now question number 2. So question number 2, compare the fraction and put an appropriate sign. In this question also, put the appropriate sign. 3 upon 6, 5 upon 6, isn't it? So 5 upon 6 is the greater. A part, this is the A part, B, 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 4. So which one is greater? 1 upon 4. Isn't it? Because its denominator is smaller है. And if you multiply, cross multiply, then you will get, अगर cross multiplication करो 7 into 1, you will get 7 and here 4. So this fraction is a smaller. ये छोटा होगा और ये बड़ा होगा. Isn't it? Now see part 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 5. So this one is a greater. Now D 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. So this one is a greater. Why? Because this numerator are same and denominator is a smaller. Compared to यहाँ 7 है और यहाँ 5 है. If you cross multiply 3 into 5, you will get 50, and here 7 into 3, you will get 21. So 20 इसको multiply करोगे तो 21 आएगा और यहाँ 5 and 3 को multiply करोगे तो 15 आएगा. So this one is a greater, means this fraction is a greater, isn't it? Now, third question, make 5 more such pair and put appropriate sign. Okay, so you have to make 5 more pairs. Okay, you find it and put like this appropriate sign. Okay, you have to write some more fraction like this, find it and put this kind of greater than, less than or equal sign, isn't it? Now, moving on, question number 4. Look at the figure and write greater than or less than or equal between the given pairs of fraction. Okay, so figure given here. Okay, you can see in your book. Okay, so figure given here. After that, you have to put it also sign greater than, less than or equal. So coming on question number 4. This chapter is also very easier, but maybe you are facing any difficulties, problem. That's why I am explaining here. 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 3, isn't it? And given the box, fill in the blanks, isn't it? So now 1 upon 6. If you observe the figure 1 upon 6, isn't it? Where comes 1 upon 6? So one thing here, isn't it? आप यहाँ देख सकते हो. Look at this one. So 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 3. If you observe this figure, so 1 upon 6 is a smaller, isn't it? Like this. ये आपका 1 upon 6 है and 1 upon 3 is a greater, isn't it? So this one is a definitely through the figure 1 upon 3 is a greater. If you observe the figure through the figure or cross multiply 6 into 1. So you will get 6 and here 3. In this case also this fraction is a greater, isn't it? Now we part 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 6. Okay, so 3 upon 4. If you multiply 2 into 4, so you will get 4 2s are 8 and here 3 into 6 18. So this one is a greater. Now see, I go through the figure. You can also compare. C part 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 4. So definitely 2 upon 3. क्योंकि 2 को 3 पार्ट में करना है, यहाँ 2 को 4 पार्ट में करना है. सो दिस वन इज ये आपका बिगर मिलेगा, बड़ा पार्ट मिलेगा कंपेयर टू 2/4. डी पार्ट 6/6 and 3/3. So both you divide, you will get 1, isn't it? दोनों का कितना आएगा 1 1. That's why both are equal. Both का वैल्यू क्या होगा 6/6 and 3/3, equal parts. Now E part 5/6 and 5/5, isn't it? So which one is a greater? If you cross multiply, so 5 6 is 30 and here 5 5 25. So this one is a greater, isn't it? Now make 5 more such problems and solve them with your friends. You have to make 5 more fractions or problems and put the sign like this. Now moving on, question number 5. How quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign. So you can do it because so many examples I have given. So 5th number, you can do it. I am solving 1 2 parts of question number 5th. So A part C here, 1/2 and 1/5. So which sign, which one is a greater? 1/2. If you multiply, अगर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हो 1 into 5 आपका आ गया 5 and 1 into 2, so you get 2. यहाँ आया 5, यहाँ आया 2. So this one is a greater, isn't it? Now B 2/4 and 3/6. So both if you reduce or multiply करोगे, so 3 4 is 12 and 6 2 is 12. If you reduce, इसको कई तरीके से आप कर सकते हो. 2 2 is 4, so 1/2, 3 2 is 6. So both आपका half half मिला. If you convert in simplest form, then you will get 1/2, so 2/4 and 3/6. Both are equal. So similarly, remaining part you will do it. So many parts given of question number 5. So you will do it own. Now moving on, question number 6. Sorry, 6. So question number 6 says the following fraction represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fraction by changing each one to its simplest form. Okay. So whatever fraction given to us for solving, first you convert in simplest form, means reduce in lowest term. Okay, आपको you have to write in lowest term first. You change in lowest term. After that, write the equivalent fraction. कि how many fraction are equivalent, isn't it? So A part, first you reduce it 2/12. 2 6 are 12. So you get 1/6. Now B 3/15. 3 5s are 15. You will get 1/5. C 8/50. Okay, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. You will get 4/25. Now D part. So D part 16/100. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. Again you will get 4/25. Now E part 10 up 10 upon 60, 10 upon 60, 0 0 cancel, you will get 1 upon 6, 8 part, 15 upon 75. So 15 5s are 75, you will get 1 upon 5. Now G part, 12 upon 60, 12 5s are 60, you will get 1 upon 5. H part, 16 upon 96. Okay, so 16 6 is 96, you will get 1 upon 6. Now I 12 upon 75, 12 upon 75, 3 4s are 12 or 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So you will get fraction. Answer will be 4 upon 25. J part, 12 upon 72, 6 times, you will get 1 upon 6. After that K, 3 upon 18, 3 6 is 18, you will get 1 upon 6. Now last L part, 4 upon 25. This fraction already in simplest form, isn't it? Now arrange in equivalent fraction according to. So first start from 1 upon 6. How many? Got it? 1 upon 6. So 1, 2, after that 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? So first equivalent fraction आपका कौन सा है? You will write it A, after that E, A, E, and H and J, K. J and K. Okay. So this one is a equivalent fraction of first 1 upon 6 जितना आपको मिला है, isn't it? Now second equivalent fraction, which one? Start from 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5, this one, and look at in this row 2, 3. Okay, so 3. So start from B, isn't it? In this row. After that F. Next one is G and only 3, isn't it? B, F, G. All are 1 upon 5. And here all are 1 upon 6. This all, isn't it? So B, F, G. Now third equivalent fraction of, start from 4 upon 25. 1, 2. So C, D. After that I, C, D, I and L. All 4 in third, like a 4 upon 25, isn't it? So this was your question number 6. Okay, remaining parts we'll do in next class, isn't it? Now you solve it and send me all answer. Thank you.